Hi friends, hope all of you are doing good. Today I'm going to make one of my all-time favorite chutney. This is coconut red chutney. It is a bit spicy. If you don't want it to be spicy, you can reduce the number of chili here. So very simple but very unique taste. You must try this. Before we get started, please note that all the ingredients that is required for this is given in the description below the video, just the way it is shown here. So please do check that out. So for that, we don't need much of item. So all that we need for this is a bit of coconut. This is 1/3 cup of grated coconut. I've taken few red chilies here, about 6 of them. If you don't want this to be spicy, you can reduce the number of chili here. A bit of shallot, about 10 odd piece of shallot, small onions, and a bit of curry leaf. We will not use the entire strip of curry leaf, we will only use a few of them, but this is all what we need to make this chutney. Now we are gonna fry this lightly in a pan, and then we will grind it. So let's get this fried a bit. Now to fry this, I've taken a pan. I've put the flame on in low flame now. Now I'm going to add just a teaspoon of coconut oil, only a teaspoon of coconut oil. So the pan is already hot now, so I'm going to add shallots here. We will first fry this. You'll have to keep mixing this. So you can see this, it's slightly brownish now. Now I'm going to add red chili to this. We'll keep mixing this. We need to fry red chili as well. As the red chilies are getting roasted, I'm now going to add a bit of curry leaves. We don't need much, only a few. That will also get crispy now. You can see the chili is also roasted. Now I'm going to add coconut to it. We will now roast all this together, and I will also add a pinch of salt, so that it gets roasted fast. So I'm only going to add a pinch of salt. We'll add more salt when we grind it. We'll now fry this. See, please note that roasting this onion will take about 5 to 6 minutes, and red chili only 2 to 3 minutes. Now this we will roast till it becomes brown. So this will take about 5 to 7 minutes. So it has now become nice brown in color. So I have switched off the flame here, and it will further cook a bit because the pan is very hot. See, remember, if the grated coconut that you have, if that is not uneven, you can just whip it in the mixer for a second and it will get even, and then when you roast it, or rather fry it, it will become really nice. In case if you don't get the coconut grated evenly. So I'm taking this off from the stove now. We will let this cool down for about few minutes. We don't want this to be really hot when we grind it, but at the same time we don't want this to be cold as well. So we'll let this cool down for about 3 to 4 minutes. So now we are going to grind this. Okay, I'll transfer this to a mixer. It's very crispy now, you can see it. I'll also add a bit of salt. We will check the salt later. Now I'm adding less than half a teaspoon of salt. So I'm going to grind this now. So it is grinded well now, but it's very dry. So we'll add some water to it. We want to get the right consistency. So I'm only going to add a teaspoon of water to it. Only a teaspoon of water. We'll grind this once again. It's grinded now well, you can see it. Now we'll take this from this jar and make a bowl of it. So I'm going to transfer this to a plate here. We will make a nice ball of it like this. I've tasted this for salt. Salt is absolutely fine. So this is the chutney, dry. I tasted this for salt, bit spicy. It's really spicy. So you can, as I told you earlier, you can reduce the number of chilies that you put. I've taken 6. You can maybe take 2 or 3 or 4 depending on the way you want. This is really spicy, very tasty. So please do try this at home. Not at all difficult. It needs is a bit of patience while you are roasting coconut and shallot. Otherwise it's very simple. So please do try this at home. Send us your feedback and please do subscribe the channel and also share and like. And when you subscribe the channel, please do press the bell button so that you don't miss out on any of the videos that we upload. So till the time we meet up with another good recipe, something like this. Thank you and goodbye.